Hey, what's up, guys? I'm about to turn in here pretty quick, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. I got a package in the mail from Grip6. I don't know if you can see that on there. Anyway, let's tear into this bad boy, and I'll show you what I bought. So I bought a couple pairs of their wool socks. Now, I'm becoming a big fan of wool socks after trying those ones from Darn Tough Vermont because they're really comfortable. They seem to breathe well, and I can wear them all day, and they don't, when I take my shoes off, they don't stink. I don't know why that is, but so anyway, this is their Rambouillet Merino. It says on the back here, Rocky Mountain wool. We start with locally sourced fine micron Rambouillet Merino wool, allowing us to develop the best blend to maximize the comfort and functionality of our socks. Our antimicrobial wool is entirely processed in the USA and then delivered to our mill in Utah, where we knit our socks from the ground up. Wool is an organic, moisture-wicking machine. It's also an incredible insulator, even when wet. This natural moisture management regulates temperature and improves airflow, keeping your feet dry and comfortable all day long. So, anyway, and they come in different sizes. I got the medium because that's kind of along the lines with my shoe size. So, let's try these. We got USA on them. I love it. Let's try these on and see what they're like. They feel pretty nice. Let's tilt the camera down and take a look at them here if we can. So, so they're a good looking sock for sure. They feel very comfortable. I don't know if they're quite as padded as the Darn Tough Vermont, but they seem to be well made, and I have to say they're not far behind in terms of their comfort and kind of overall feel. But I'm just trying to give you guys as many different views of these as I can give you here. It's really cool looking. One thing I will say, they are probably, I guess, maybe about 40% cheaper. I think one pair of the Darn Tough Vermont socks are about 25 bucks. I can't remember if that included shipping or if shipping was, I think I paid around 25 to 30 bucks for them shipped. These, I got two pair for about $33 shipped. So, you know, they were about $10 cheaper per pair. Which, if you want to buy several pairs, that's a pretty significant cost savings. And especially if you're used to buying cotton socks and you can get a 6-pack of them for like $7 to $10, you know, paying $15 a pair to $25 a pair for wool socks might be something that you kind of balk at first, but if what I understand to be true about wool is true, that not only does it breathe better, reduces odors, more comfortable to wear, and that seems to be the case from the limited experience I have, but also that they last significantly longer, you know, it might be worth the extra money. I haven't had a chance to do any long-term testing with any of these yet, but we'll see in 6 months how well they're holding up, and I'll try and do a follow-up with you guys at that time. But for now, I have to say I'm pretty impressed by Grip6, and you know, Darn Tough Vermont had some pretty impressive socks too. They're just more expensive. And time will tell, determining how well they wear, how well they hold their elasticity, and how they perform over time, whether they're actually worth the extra money or not. And I'll try to report back on that to you guys. But it's way past my bedtime, and so I'm going to turn in and get my beauty sleep, and I'll dig you guys on the flip. God bless. Good night.